recording.
Number 1, 1958 Porsche Speedster 356 Replica Kit Car, $31,500. Norco, CA, custom built on a VW chassis. This car features a 2110cc GX crate motor, Rancho 4-speed transmission, and dual Delorto carbs. Equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes, Gene Berg lockout shifter, and a custom Bluetooth Apple CarPlay sound system. Recently serviced by a high-performance shop with full build paperwork, a fun, fast car ready for the road. Number 2, 1965 Shelby Cobra, $45,000. Reseda, CA, powered by a Ford FE big block V8 with dual Holley carburetors and side exhaust pipes. This car also features a Tremec 5-speed transmission and disc brakes all around. Finished in Guardsman blue with white stripes and has 4,000 miles on the build. A true Shelby performance car. Number 3, 1972 Ferrari Dino GT 246 Kit Car 20,000 in Murrieta, CA, built on a VW Type 3 chassis, powered by a Mazda 12A rotary engine paired with a Porsche 911 transaxle. Features Carman Ghia disc brakes and a fiberglass body over a solid subframe. A unique and fun to drive kit car.
So this is how you turn it on. Like on this one. Got 2 electronic fuel pumps. I just put a new battery.
Number 4, 1966 Ford AC Cobra, $50,000 in Las Vegas. NV, powered by a 351 Cleveland with a C6 automatic transmission and 350 gear ratio. Finished in Rangoon red with black stripes, and features aluminum intake heads and side exhaust pipes. A head-turning muscle car with classic styling. Number 5, 1935 Mercedes-Benz 500K, $68,000 Antioch, CA. This one-of-a-kind showstopper is powered by a V8 engine and has only 39K miles. It wins at every car show and is a true piece of automotive art. Don't miss this rare find. Number 6, 1965 Ford Cobra, 55,000 Tucson, Arizona. Brand new with only 114 miles. Powered by a 2001 Ford Fort Punch 6 engine and paired with a Tremec 3650 transmission. Professionally painted in Porsche black cherry metallic red. Comes with power steering, heated seats, and push button start. Number 7, 1962 Aston Martin Austin-Healey 3000 Replica, $2,500, Fallbrook, California. Powered by a 1979 Ford 302 small block, featuring a C4 automatic transmission and Ford 8-inch rear end. The car includes Flamin' River rack and pinion steering and drilled, slotted rotors for solid performance, a great replica with smog exemption. Number 8, 1967 Shelby Cobra, $75,000, Sun City West, Arizona. Fully restored with a Tremec 5-speed transmission and an 8.8 Posi rear end. Painted in tropical glitz, seductive red with black stripes, and featuring a custom mahogany dash. Only 15 miles on the build, ready to hit the road. Number 9, 1929 Mercedes-Benz Convertible Kit Car, $12,500, Yucaipa, California. Built in 1980 with a Ford Pinto engine and automatic transmission. Recently serviced with new tires, battery, and brake components. The leather upholstery is a bit worn, but it's a charming classic roadster. Number 10, 1985 Spartan II Kit Car, $13,500, Prescott Valley, Arizona. Built from a 1985 Nissan 300ZX donor car, this luxury kit car features leather upholstery, T-tops, and air conditioning. Rare in the US, popular in Europe, and ready for cruising and comfort. That would be it for this episode. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. See ya.